Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Check connectivity. Ensure your device is connected to the router. Use Ethernet cable. For stability, connect directly via Ethernet. Verify IP address. Confirm you're using the correct IP address, usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Restart router. Power cycle your router. Clear cache. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Disable firewall, antivirus. Temporarily disable these to rule out interference. If all else fails, reset router to factory settings.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.